Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today's first cook video is on the brand new Weber Smoque pellet smoker. Super excited, just got this. I'm ready to fire it up for the first time. Wanted to do something fun for this first cook, and we're doing picanha. Super easy, super fun, and should be super flavorful. So first things first, let's head out, get the grill prepped, fired up and ready to go. Then it's back in the kitchen to get us prepped, fired up and ready to go. And then it's time to get ready to go. We went ahead and topped off the pellet hopper. Now I'm gonna go backwards here to get right into smoke boost zone. So we put it right at that 180 like you saw there. We hit enter, it is igniting, and we're gonna start it off at 180 degrees today in the smoke boost zone. Okay, we're back in the kitchen. It is time to talk ingredients. The Weber Smoque is heating up to 180 degrees smoke boost. So we're gonna start off with a 3-pound picanha, also called a sirloin cap, a rump cap, or culotte. Multiple names for it, but we call it a picanha. It's that classic, wonderful Brazilian steakhouse cut that is amazing. We're gonna use a little bit of bacon grease today, very thin layer, to act as a binder for the two rubs we're gonna use together. My own Chef Jay's Island Boys coffee rub and my umami dust. We're gonna use those about 50-50, just a light coat of that to bring out some of the flavors. So we're gonna come in closer, show you how we get this seasoned, then time to add the probe, time to hit the smoke. Okay, so we've got one clean hand, one glove hand. I'm gonna take the umami dust first and just a light coat over the top, like so, just to get some of that on there. And I'm also gonna give it a little pat just to get it stuck to that bacon fat, and then some of that coffee rub as well. And we're just gonna do as light or as heavy as we prefer. You know that we always say that, season things how you like. So we'll go ahead and get this done. Now, I'm gonna lay a little bit extra right here in the front, because guess what? Here's my chef's trick of the day. Take that parchment and roll that up, give it a good little pat like that, and now we've got that front side covered as well. So we'll continue on. We're gonna do the side, the back, flip it, and do the other side. Then we're gonna let this sit while the grill finishes reaching temp. All right, the smoke is heated up, and we have our picanha loaded on that top rack, giving it a lot of coverage of smoke. You can see it's already producing quite a bit of smoke. We've got the probe plugged in. We have the picanha loaded and ready to go. We ran the wire out the side of the grill. Now we're gonna plug it in, and we're going to let it go on smoke boost mode, 180 degrees, for about 30 minutes, and then we'll adjust it to 225 and take it until internal temp reaches 120. So let's go ahead and get it plugged in, set that initial time for 30 minutes, and we'll be eating in no time. You can see we have 180 degrees set. We are on smoke boost mode. Time to plug that probe in. And now it'll tell you that internal temp here real quick of the meat, where it's sitting at right now, 59 degrees. Let's go ahead now and fire up the Weber Connect app and get our first alert set. Okay, let's go in there and hit little smoker. You can see that we have smoke boost mode on, 180 degrees. We are good. Let's go ahead and get into that probe. And yeah, you know what? We're gonna do 120 degrees, which is great. We'll leave that alone, but let's go back here and add a timer, because we wanna go ahead and let that go for 30 minutes. All right, timer's set. Grill is doing everything we need it to do. We'll leave it alone for 30 minutes. We'll come back and check it next. All right, here we are after 30 minutes, a quick peek. Look at that beauty right there. So 30 minutes of smoke boost are done. We are sitting at 71 degrees. It is time now to adjust the grill to 225, and now we're gonna focus on temperature, not time. So we'll keep cooking it till internal temp hits 120 degrees, and we'll see you back here when that happens. All right, we are right where we wanted to be, sitting at 120 degrees. Now, it's taken us about an hour and a half to get to this point, but I'm happy. I like it. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna close the lid, and then we're gonna go ahead and adjust it now to 500 degrees, and we'll take its final doneness up to 130, 30 or 32 degrees, and then we'll rest it and slice into it for that doneness. So let's close the lid, let's adjust it, and get ready to go. Okay, we are done. That hit 132 degrees, and we look pretty solid. I'm definitely happy with that crust I've got on the fat cap, and I got some nice color on there as well. So let's go ahead and head into the kitchen. We're gonna let this rest for about maybe 10 minutes, and then we'll slice into it and do our doneness check. All right, we rested the picanha for about 10 minutes, sliced into this, and that is pretty amazing doneness right there. Now, one of the cool things is obviously you're gonna get maybe some more well done on the ends and then get right into that beautiful medium doneness in the center. Not unhappy with this at all. Came out absolutely amazing. You know, there's days that I would literally do this job for free, and please just keep that between us girls. I'll tell you what an amazing first cook. Super happy with how this came out. Picanha always delivers immense flavor, and this is definitely a flavor win. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, you know, I checked out the smoke, but maybe I want to check out the searwood. So stay tuned. Coming up, we're going to show you all about the Weber Searwood pellet grill, another option from my friends at Weber, but this has literally been calling my name for, I don't know, all day, but cheers. Stay tuned. Video coming next.